You're already using AHA for dashboards. What I want to show you now is the next step, how you move from dashboards to getting answers instantly with our AI agent, XAHA. I'll walk through 3 quick views, an executive view, a HR business partner view, and a people analytics view. Let's start at the top. A typical question we hear from leadership is, where do we have workforce gaps right now? Put that into the prompt. At this level, the focus is simple. Where are we under-resourced? Where are we losing people? And is hiring keeping up with demand? And what you can see straight away, headcount gaps across regions or functions, attrition concentrated in critical roles, and hiring not keeping up with demand. So instead of pulling multiple reports, this is a single real-time view of workforce pressure across the business. We can also expand this into recommendations. This translates the insight into clear, practical actions. So instead of just seeing the problem, leadership gets direction of what to do next. Again, this can be shared across HR, operations, or finance, executive leadership team. Detailed analysis. From here, leadership typically wants something they can also take to their next meeting or next session. And this is where we can expand this recommendation and add clear visualizations to it. As you can see, this gives us an executive-ready view of the workforce gaps, all coming from that one prompt. Something the CHRO can now do is also download and share directly with their leadership team or each Centre of Excellence. Now, if we step into the HR business partner role, the question shifts from visibility to action. Questions that HR business partners get asked on a daily basis: what should I focus on in my business unit right now? For a HR business partner, this is about knowing where to intervene early. As you can see, this highlights teams with highest attrition risk, hard to fill roles, parts of the business operating below capacity. So very quickly, the HR business partner knows where to focus. Now, the HR business partner needs to take this back to their business leader, so we can expand this into deeper insights. This then creates a structured summary of what's happening in their particular business unit. Clear, contextual, and ready to use in conversations with leadership, as you can see. And we can also turn this into a visualization. So both the business leader and the HR business partner can download and share this internally, whether that's with operational leaders, finance, or within their own team. From a people analytics perspective, the question is broader. Let's start very broad. Show me our workforce numbers. This pulls together headcount, attrition, recruitment activity, insights and drivers instantly. And from here, there's a related visualization, related dashboard. Now, if we want to go deeper into this headcount, into the workforce numbers, we move into our existing AHA dashboards. This is the foundation. AHA brings together your workforce data into one clean, governed model, so every insight is consistent and reliable. For your people analytics team, this is where they can go much deeper. Over 60 dashboards and 600 workforce metrics across all aspects of the employee lifecycle. And fully explore the drivers behind what XAHA agent is surfacing. This is where they can break it down and work even further and deeper into the analysis. They can also export this workforce data and use it in a broader organisation reporting sense, whether that's board reporting, finance alignment, or operational planning. All of this can be extended into Power BI So you're leveraging your existing Microsoft ecosystem. So now your people analytics team shifts from building dashboards to validating, extending, and scaling insights across the business. So stepping back, what we're showing is you ask a simple question, you get an immediate answer. You can extend and expand into visualizations, insights, and recommendations, and can go deeper when needed. All built on your existing AHA foundation and running securely within your Microsoft environment. The next step is to align this to your business, your workforce structure, your key roles, your operating model, and define what XAHA looks like in your environment. Book a demo today and unlock the power of AHA workforce intelligence within your Microsoft ecosystem. Instead of waiting weeks or days for workforce reports, your team can ask a simple question, get the answer immediately, and share it across your business. Book a demo today.